Because you know, in this country, because last year, no, not last, yeah, last year we had few tax revisions in the country, right? I think, start of the year we started with 19.89, then went up to 24.33%, and within 1 month it again got changed, right? It went up to 27.66, and after 1 month, I think starting from 1st October, it went to 30.93, which is the one we are using right now, right? So now after 1st October last year, the tax is the same, which is 30.93, right? 30.93, and this is the current tax. And keep it in mind, the VAT exempted rate is 11.02. 11.02, right? So how is it now? I'll show you quickly. I'm going to take time on this. Now assume the room rate is 100, right? Then we have the service charge, right? Service charge is 10%, right? 10% out of this 100 is how much? 10, right? Then we have this thing called TDS. What is TDS means?
Tourist board.
TDS. Tourist?
Development.
Yeah. Tourist development levy. Do you know the percentage? No, right, that's fine. So 1.01%, right? So this is now I'll give it. This is A, B and C, right? So this is 1.01% is from A, right? So from A means this is amount should be 1.01%. From 100, 1.01% means 1.01, right? Then we have this newly introduced tax, which is called SSC, that is
social.
Yeah. SSC means Social Security Development Levy, right? So that is 2.56, right? This is actually now I named is ABC now. No, this is because these are called tax on tax. So on top of these taxes, now this is a combination of all these three. So you will have to take 2.56 from ABC. Now I'm like, I don't know, if you want you can write it down and go and calculate and see, right? From these three, 2.56%. These are called tax on tax, because on this tax there's another tax. Now this tax, it's not like that. I took it from only room revenue, right? But this tax is different. This is a tax on tax, because you know why? If someone is coming now, these percentages I'm telling you now, if someone is asking and saying what is 30.93, you can't calculate this and tell this is the amount, it won't come. Because these are tax on tax. So it's not the same. This, to be honest, you can't do that. Because if someone is asking, this is the only way I can explain it to a guest. Because tax on tax. Because the guest will be confused there. Because I hope people will not ask, because sir, in Dubai we had that. So then you will have to show the breakdown and explain it to him. Certain people, they are not willing to pay unless you explain the tax, how it comes. If you are working on a small project, so this is from these three, if you calculate it, 2.56 means $2.84. Then we have this thing called what? VAT. How much is the VAT in Sri Lanka now? These are general questions, you should know. How much is the VAT percentage? 15%. Right? VAT is 15%. VAT is 15%. So service charge we are charging 10. TDL is 1.01. Social Security Development Levy is 2.56. VAT is 15%. This is a combination of these all three, all four. So 15% from A, B, C and D. So this will come up to 17.808. So once you can calculate and see if you want. Once you calculate everything only, it will come up to 100.393. This is how this amount comes, 30.93. Right? So this is not may percentage you won't get 30.93. It will be somewhere around like 28 or 29. So tax on tax, it will go up to 30.93. So that's how the tax works Vietnam, Sri Lanka.